welcome to part 3, which was supposed to be part 2, but the GoPro overheated because I forgot to turn on the AC and I forgot to show you how the AC unit works. So when you got your power hooked up, to power the AC, it's all right here. This is your AC control panel. This is your on and off button, top right. AC unit's off. We have it on. You can do auto, high, medium, low. You can do dry, heat, or cool. This also powers the furnace, which hopefully you won't want to touch in the summer months. Tons of vents everywhere throughout the RV. You have them in the living room area, above the bed, even in the bathroom. These are all your vents. You can open, close them, do what you want with those. Before I got cut out, I was going over the storage over here. While I was waiting for the camera to cool down, I reassembled this table. The same way I disassembled it, I reassembled it. It's pretty straightforward. With this table, you shouldn't have to force anything. If you find yourself forcing something, you're probably not putting it on right. And if you have any questions or anything, I'd prefer you give me a call before doing something you're unsure about. And then over here, this is a lot more storage. This is where you'll be putting your wardrobes. The hangers are included. You got 2 sections. This shelving over here is removable. So if you want 2 sections like that where your wardrobes can fully drape down, you can remove these shelves. A lot of space in there. And you also have 3 slide outs right here. I use all of these for clothes. And then down here, that leveling device I was talking about to tell if your RV's level. I set this on the back of the hitch. You can set it in the middle of the camper. You can see right now, we're not entirely level, which is true. If you look outside, we are slightly lopsided, but pretty close to it. This is a great tool. It's included. Please use it. So we'll start with the fridge section. We can swap positions. So over here you have your sink section. I'll start with. You have your 2 power switches. 1, 2, light there, light there. Water pump's already on. You got your hot water. You got your cold water. You got 2 outlets there. You got a mirror so you can see how beautiful you are every day you wake up. You slide that on open, you got some more storage. I have things in here like soap and a couple tissues, like napkin type things. And I keep a thing of liquid soap and Febreze there. Down here you got some more storage. This is also included, and this is another thing I recommend you use, especially if you have pets. I have a little portable vacuum. It's fully charged right now. Really straightforward to use. It works great. And if you do need to charge it, the power cord is inside the same bag that the power drill is in. And you can charge this up. So yeah, all the stuff I have in here, please feel encouraged to use it. I want you to use it. That's why I left it in here. So onto the refrigerator and freezer. This is propane powered, so this stuff lasts pretty long. This is the freezer section. To turn it on, to make sure it's powered on, you have to have it on. And right now it has an auto section. It runs on propane unless if you change it to gas. These are some ice cube trays which are included. And then your refrigerator section, and you push in on hooks. You got a couple little storage bins down here. And it's a little bigger than a mini fridge. Refrigerator, freezer, so that just about covers it. We went over everything besides a couple little drawers down here. There's a little more storage. Showed you the pots and pans. That covers the interior of Balsam. We went over the bedroom section, wardrobe storage. You got your bathroom. One thing I forgot to mention, and this is very cool. This is an aftermarket thing that I got installed. Right here you have a MaxxAir vent. And this is fantastic because the AC unit is great and it's so efficient that if you keep this running for like 10-20 minutes, it really does a number on cooling it down. Like just before the video died, it was really hot in here and we've had it on for not even 5 minutes. Big difference, but it sucks a lot out of the generator. The things that will suck the most fuel out of the generator is the air conditioner, the microwave, and yeah, really just the microwave and the air conditioner. That's really sucking a lot of fuel. But if you want to use less, I have a fan right here. Now this vent is covered so you can keep this open at all times and will not have to worry about any water coming in because it has a case above it. And to turn it on, you hit this on button and you can change whether you want air to come in or out. So you can change your in and out there. You can change if you want it on high, medium, or low. And this is awesome for cooling down, especially if like you're laying in the bedroom area and don't want to rip through the fuel that the AC requires to use. So that's a very cool feature. And another thing I forgot to mention is right here, you have another privacy slide for the bedroom section. It unhooks, slides right across. Now you see me, now you don't. And that hooks right over here. So lastly, we'll go over the awning and how that works. So if you want to step on out. So couple things to mention about the awning. The awning is awesome. It's great because it keeps you cool if you're camping, if you're set up. It's great to have overhead. It has 2 speakers on the side. Very, very important to mention about the awning is do not, and I repeat, do not have it out on very windy days, because that material will rip, and everything's so mechanical that when something happens with the awning, it's an expensive fix, and usually one little problem with the awning usually leads to bigger mechanical problems. So please, if it's very windy out, do not have the awning out, and also when you go to sleep at night, always make sure the awning's always in. So to pull it out, it's really simple. Make sure your main switch is on, and it has a switch just like the slide, works the same way. It's even labeled extend and retract. So we're gonna extend it out. Just hold the switch. And it also, right next to this switch, there's 2 switches to turn on LED lights. So I'm not sure if you'll be able to see them in the sun, but you got those LEDs, and then it turns on the lights right there. And you can play with the retract and expand option here to kind of change the pitch of the awning. So if it's raining more or less, you can kind of change it. And also, you can move these to change the pitch of the awning as well. So if it is raining, which I don't recommend having it out in the rain, but make sure the pitch is right so it doesn't all puddle up. You want the water to flow off. So that pretty much covers it for Balsam. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me, text me, send me an email. I'll get back to you as soon as I get it. But please refer to this video because it's a pretty detailed walkthrough, and I'm gonna label it at certain points. So if you want to know about the bunk bid, you can refer to this point in the video. But please refer to this video if you have any questions. And thank you for renting, and enjoy your experience with Balsam. I love her, and I hope you have love her as much as I do. Thank you.